Development Pharmaceuticals in association with Higher Secondary Principals Forum.
Hello, I am Rita Dessa, teaching English at Shri Bhumika Higher Secondary School, Pariye. First of all, let me congratulate Prudent Media for their educational initiative, Prudent Scholars, where lectures have been recorded and telecast for the standard 10th as well as standard 12th students. I feel it has served a great benefit to the student community. I was indeed privileged to be one among many to be invited to record a lesson. It has been a pleasant experience, though for the very first time we were made to feel at ease by the Prudent team during recordings. We also felt that we are rendering our service for a greater cause. I feel recording and telecasting are a very flexible way of reaching out to larger audiences. This is because the students can go back to the recordings if they have missed any part or if they have not understood it. On this day, I wish to extend my warm wishes to the Prudent Media on their 14th anniversary and hope that they come up with better and newer programs and also contribute in the education field. I wish that all of you stay healthy, stay safe and grow and shine. Thank you.
Myself, Harsha Khorzuvekar, Mathematics teacher of Dr. K.B. Hedgewar Higher Secondary School, Kujira. I would like to express my humble gratitude towards Prudent Media for giving me an opportunity to deliver my maths lectures. It's a good platform for teachers to express their creative ideas and to reach out to maximum students of Goa. I also thank the Principal Forum for coming up with this innovative idea in this difficult situation of COVID-19 crisis. Thank you, Prudent Media, and congratulations for completing 14 years of your service towards the society. Hoping to see you all deliver prudent, clear and exact news, sharing valuable information with us and contributing to the well-being of our society in the coming years as well. Good wishes from teacher Harsha Khorzuvekar.
I am Mr. Giuseppe Pereira, teacher grade 1 at St. Teresa's High Secondary School, Kandulim. The onset of COVID-19 pandemic created an unprecedented situation in the entire world that led to the chaos in the ways of living among the people all through the entire globe. The countries went into shutdown only with one objective: to contain the spread of the virus. India too imposed complete lockdown. Gradually, things have been opened and started functioning, but with the educational institutions closed, there was a need to creatively deal with the situation. Through the efforts of Directorate of Education and head of the institutions, online classes were started for the students. But the major hurdle was reaching out to students, especially those who do not have devices and internet connectivity. The initiative by the Prudent Media in association with the Higher Secondary Principals Forum of getting teachers to record lectures and telecast it on Prudent TV channel is a great step to reach out to students who do not have devices and internet connectivity. Prudent Media has been doing an excellent job for the last 14 years by getting the news from the remotest corners of Goa and keeping the people updated through print, TV, and internet services. I, along with my family members, watch news on Prudent every evening at 8 p.m. to get a roundup of the day's happening in Goa. Personally, it was a great experience for me to record the lesson with them. They are very friendly, cooperative, adaptive, and highly professional. So, as they complete 14 years, I would like to congratulate and wish them well and urge them to continue to work with the same enthusiasm and zeal. Thank you.
I am Faisal Fernandez, political science teacher from Santa Cruz High Secondary. As we all know, we are in the pandemic, and in this global health crisis, virtual teaching has become the need of the hour. And it's a very nice thing to see that Prudent Media have tried to reach out to students in difficult situations through their medium of Prudent Scholars. Prudent Scholars, in fact, has become another shred of hope for education for the students. And I'm glad that I got this opportunity to provide education to students through Prudent Scholars. It was a wonderful experience, and all the very best and congratulations to Prudent Media for completing 14 years successfully. Good luck in all your endeavors.
नमस्कार, मैं शरण मडगांवकर पुरुषोत्तम वालावलकर उच्च माध्यमिक विद्यालय में हिंदी विषय का अध्यापन करता हूं। बच्चे शिक्षा से वंचित ना रहे, इसकी वजह से प्रूडेंट मीडिया तथा प्रिंसिपल फोरम ये दोनों इकट्ठा हुए और हम जैसे शिक्षकों को बच्चों तक पहुंचने का एक मौका दिया। एक अच्छा अनुभव रहा। जहाँ पे भी हम रिकॉर्डिंग के लिए जाते थे, वहाँ के प्रिंसिपल श्रीमान दीपक आमोणकर जी, उनका भी मैं आभारी हूँ। उन्होंने बहुत ही अच्छी तरीके से वहाँ पे सेटअप किया हुआ है और वहाँ के रिकॉर्डिंग करने वाले जो बंदे थे वो बहुत ही सुंदर थे, बहुत ही अच्छे थे। हमें कैमरा के सामने खड़ा होने का अनुभव नहीं है, फिर भी कैसे मंच पर खड़ा होना है, क्लास में बच्चे नहीं हैं और खाली बेंचों को हमें पढ़ाना है, और ये कैसे संभव है, ये सवाल हमेशा मन को कचोटता रहता है। तो एक ही मन में विश्वास रहा है कि जो भी हम वहाँ पे जाके बच्चों को देने का प्रयास कर रहे हैं वो बच्चों के हृदय तक, बच्चों के टीवी के ज़रिए उनके घर घर में पहुँचे। तो एक अच्छा अनुभव रहा रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो पर वहाँ पर। और रिकॉर्डिंग स्टूडियो में अभी बात आती है प्रूडेंट मीडिया आप लोगों की। आपकी तारीफ़ जितनी की जाए उतनी कम है। आपने गोवा के सभी लोगों के दिलों को जीता है और आपको मैं बधाई दे रहा हूं कि आपके 2 लाख सब्सक्राइबर भी हो चुके हैं। और अभी और एक खुशी की बात ये है कि आपको 14 साल भी हो चुके हैं। तो आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। और मुझे यकीन है जिस प्रकार से आप सत्य घटनाएं लोगों तक पहुंचाते हैं, वैसे ही हम जैसे सत्य मार्ग पर चलने वाले शिक्षकों का ये जो संदेश है वो लोगों तक आप ज़रूर पहुंचाएंगे। आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं और मुझे आशा है कि जिस प्रकार से आप यह कार्य कर रहे समाज के लिए, यह कार्य आप आगे भविष्य में भी ऐसे करते रहेंगे। आपको ढेर सारी शुभकामनाएं। एक बार फिर बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद।
नमस्कार। जेबीएम्स आदर्श हायर सेकेंडरी स्कूल पोंडा, डॉक्टर अरुणा भदौरिया। प्रूडेंट चैनल के 14 वर्ष पूर्ण होने के उपलक्ष्य में मैं उन्हें हार्दिक बधाई देती हूँ। प्रूडेंट चैनल एक ऐसा चैनल है गोवा में जो दुर्घटना हो या सुख दुख के समाचार हो वह लोगों तक पहुंचाता है। पर आज उसने एक सराहनीय कार्य किया और शिक्षा के क्षेत्र में भी आगे रहा। गोवा बोर्ड के प्राचार्य और शिक्षकाओं ने एक नया कदम उठाया। उनकी सोच और समझ को मैं नमन करती हूँ। ऑनलाइन टीचिंग क्लास में इंटरनेट की परेशानी के कारण जब विद्यार्थी उस लेक्चर को अटेंड नहीं कर पाते थे तो वे दुखी और हताश हो जाते थे, पर ये वीडियो के द्वारा उन्हें यह सुविधा उपयोगी हो गई। यह वीडियो आज तो उपयोगी है ही, पर आने वाले समय में अनेक विद्यार्थियों का इसको लाभ मिलेगा। शिक्षिकाओं ने जब यह प्रस्तुतिकरण वीडियो के लिए दिया तो वहां पर प्रूडेंट के जो कार्यकर्ता थे उन्होंने बड़े अच्छे से रोल अदा किया। उन्होंने बहुत हेल्प की और हमको ऐसा लगा ही नहीं कि पहली बार हम वीडियो कुछ ऐसा प्रोग्राम कर रहे हैं। मैं प्रूडेंट स्कॉलर पर जो काम करने वाले कार्यकर्ता हैं और अधिकारी हैं उनका मैं हार्दिक दिल से अभिनंदन करती हूँ और हमारे गोवा बोर्ड के प्राचार्य और शिक्षिकाओं का भी मैं हार्दिक दिल से अभिनंदन करती हूँ।
नमस्कार, हांव प्रमोद सुगतर सेंट हायर सेकंडरी वास्को हांगा शिकयता। आयज कोविड महामारीक लागून गोंयांत सगळे विद्यार्थी घराकडेन बसून शिकतात आनी टिचरांचेर तांकां शिकोवपाक एक व्हडली जबाबदारी आयल्या आनी ती म्हळ्यार ऑनलायन शिक्षण पद्दत। ऑनलायन शिक्षण शिकयता आसतना कांय कडेन विद्यार्थ्यांक मोबायल कनेक्टिविटी मेळना जावं कांय विद्यार्थ्यां कडेन स्मार्टफोन हो ना आनी अशें जाल्ल्या कारणान प्रुडंट मिडिया, प्रिन्सिपल फोरम आनी लुपीन ह्या कंपनीच्या आदारान सगळ्या शिक्षकांक हाडून तांची शिकवणी रेकॉर्ड करून प्रुडंट चॅनलाच्या माध्यमांतल्यान टीव्हींतल्यान भुरग्यां मेरेन पावयता। हो एक प्रुडंटान चलिल्लो बरो उपक्रम, त्या खातीर तांकां म्हजे वतीन परबी। प्रुडंट मिडिया हाका आयज 14 वर्सां पुराय जातात आनी तांच्यांनी हो समाजा खातीर जो उपक्रम राबयला, विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर जो उपक्रम राबयला तसोच फुडें बी तेणें उपक्रम राबोवचे त्या खातीर तांकां हांव यश आवडेता आनी फुडाराक तांचे उपक्रम बरे चलतले अशी आस्तूय बीन बाळगिता। सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं।
Hello, I am Shilpa Panandikar from Sri Ganesh High Secondary School, Ganeshpuri, Mapsa. We are today in the midst of an unprecedented situation where the spread of coronavirus disease entails responsible, individual, social and institutional behavior. In these crucial times, teachers were deeply aware of their commitment towards education and the student community. The safety and the well-being of our students was of utmost importance to us. However, at the same time, we wanted that our students should stay connected with us and also not miss out on their studies. Although various synchronous and asynchronous sessions were taken by teachers across the state of Goa, we found that there were some students who had difficulties attending these classes. In the midst of continuous discussions as to how these problems could be resolved, a ray of hope came in the form of Prudent Scholars. A series of lectures were held with a well-planned timetable which was brought forward by Prudent Scholars. Teachers can never truly teach unless they continuously learn. I feel privileged to have been part of this lecture series. It was a unique experience of facing the camera, not the usual mobile camera, but a 3, 2, 1 action camera. I would like to thank Prudent Media for supporting and providing this forum for teachers. I would like to congratulate Prudent Media for completing 14 years of excellence and hope that together we will share the educational resources with our students and break all the barriers that have emerged due to this pandemic. I wish Prudent Media all the best for all its future endeavors. Thank you.
I am Bevinda Fernandez of Our Lady of the Rosary Higher Secondary School, Donna Paula. I appreciate the initiative of Prudent Scholar in association with Higher Secondary Principals Forum for delivery of subject content to the students during the pandemic COVID-19 with virtual teaching through television media. Good wishes to you, Prudent, in your future endeavors.
नमस्कार. म्हजें नाव विमल गोविंद कारेकार आणि हांव एक कोंकणी शिक्षिका. प्रुडंट चॅनल आज 14 वर्सां पूर्ण करता आणि 15व्या वर्सान पदार्पण करता. तर प्रुडंट चॅनलाक आमच्या सगळ्या शिक्षकांच्या वतीन पूर्वेभरीत परबी. प्रुडंट चॅनल आजपर्यंत सदाकाळ समाजा खातीर वावरत आसा आणि त्याच तरेन या महामारीच्या युगांत लेगीत तांच्यांनी एक बरें पाऊल उखललेलें आसा. विद्यार्थी घरा बसून आणि शिक्षक शाळेन बसून सध्याक ऑनलायन क्लासेस घेता. तांची भेट जायना. म्हणूनच प्रुडंट चॅनलान एक प्रुडंट स्कॉलर हो युट्यूबार चॅनल चालू केलो आणि अशे तरेन या शिक्षकांक तांचो लेसन घेवन तो पाठ तो लेसन विद्यार्थ्यां मेरेन पावोवपाचो प्रयत्न केलो. 10वीच्या आणि 12वीच्या विद्यार्थ्यां खातीर अशे तरेचो वेगळो उपक्रम या प्रुडंट चॅनलान चालू केल्लो आसा आणि तांचो बरे तरेचो लाभ विद्यार्थ्यांक घेतिल्लो आसा. शिक्षकांक सुद्धा तांकां लेगीत एक वेगळो अनुभव या रिकॉर्डिंगा वरवीं मेळिल्लो आसा. हांवें लेगीत 12वीचो एक पाठ घेतिल्लो आणि रिकॉर्डिंग करता आसतना एक वेगळो अनुभव म्हाका घेवपाक मेळ्ळो. तर अशे तरेचो नवीन उपक्रम प्रुडंट चॅनलान चालू केल्लो आसा. प्रुडंट चॅनल सदाकाळ अशेच यशस्वी जायत राव आणि त्या खातीर तांकां भरभरून उर्बेभरीत परबी दिता आणि सगळ्यांक देव बरें करूं म्हणटा.
Hi everyone, this is Bambina Andra, teacher grade 1, teaching English and Sociology at Jawaharlal Nehru Higher Secondary School, Fatoda, Margao. During this pandemic, we have all suffered a lot, especially in the educational field. But the Goa State experts in information and technology and social media, that is Prudent Media, in collaboration with the Principals Forum, have all helped the students a lot. So first and foremost, I take this opportunity in thanking Prudent Media and also the Principals Forum in giving me this opportunity to deliver a virtual lecture in sociology. I would also like to thank my principal, Mrs. Archana Naik, for motivating me and having confidence in me that I could do it, because in the beginning I was reluctant to take up this activity. Let me tell you friends, it was not so easy facing the camera for the first time with no students in the class. When the recording started, I was a bit nervous. Later, I got confident. I was worried till the lesson was telecasted, just thinking whether it would be okay or not. But the day when the lecture was telecasted, I received some calls from my friends, neighbors, and my students congratulating me that the lesson was very good. I was very happy and thanked the Almighty for this day. It gave me confidence, and with this confidence, friends, I will be delivering 2 more lectures in sociology. I would like to say that Prudent Media Under the banner, Prudent Scholars has taken a very good initiative as this has helped students, especially those who were having connectivity problem and also those students who did not even have a proper phone. And not only that, it will help students in the future because the lessons are already in the YouTube. So the students can watch them at a later stage for better understanding. On this day, I would like to congratulate Prudent Media for completing 14 fruitful years in serving the people of Goa by bringing to light whatever facts which they did not know. I conclude by wishing Prudent Media all the best for their future endeavors. Thank you and God bless you all. Thank you.
Hello, I'm Sarika Sardesai, teaching in Stephen High Secondary School, Kujira. As you all know, due to this pandemic, we had to shift our traditional classroom teaching to online teaching, and availability of network is the biggest issue. Prudent Media, through its program Prudent Scholar, has provided a helping hand to the teachers and the students. I got this opportunity to work with Prudent Media as I was given some sessions in accountancy for Prudent Scholar. I was new for the camera. For the first time I was facing the camera, yet I was very comfortable. It is only because of the Prudent Media's team. I am extremely thankful to them. They were very cooperative and supportive. In this pandemic, Prudent Media has always been with us as it is informing us, the public, about COVID-19 updates from day one. And Prudent Scholar is another commendable initiative taken by Prudent Media to reach the teachers to the homes of the students. Thank you, Prudent Media, once again. I congratulate Prudent Media for completing 14 years, and I wish them even greater success in the coming years. Thank you once again.
Namaskar. I am Kiran L. Kamar, geography teacher from Sri Damodar Higher Secondary School of Science, Margao, Goa. It is my privilege and great experience of teaching geography for the students of 12th in Goa by this media. I am very happy to be a part of this program. I enjoyed this work, which is more important during the time of pandemic period. I appreciate the Prudent Media and Higher Secondary Principal Forum for this innovative idea and also for this service, which will benefit the students of Goa, and also it is benefiting the teaching community. I would like to suggest this method of teaching by using media may continue in future for the interest of education in Goa. I would like to also suggest and request you to launch one separate TV channel for teaching exclusively different subjects for all classes, starting from primary to post graduation. This will definitely help the teaching and student communities in the state. Thank you very much and all the best. Jai Goa, Jai India.
I am teacher Zenobia Miranda from Don Bosco High Secondary, and I would like to share my experience with Prudent Scholars. It was a novel and a very unique experience for me as a teacher, because I was very happy to be a part of a project wherein I could do my little contribution to the student community, to reach out to the students who are facing connectivity issues. And I think Prudent has done a very notable job in this direction, because areas where internet connectivity has been a problem, such students living and residing in these areas are able to access their content or their syllabus with the help of Prudent Scholars. Okay, this applies specifically more so to rural Goa, where internet is a problem, but I would say it also is applicable to students in the urban areas also, where in some pockets they still face connectivity issues and are not able to attend live classes. So I must congratulate and say a big thank you to Prudent for this excellent and brilliant idea that they have come out with. Now students are having a double advantage in terms of attending their live classes, at the same time also listening to the Prudent recorded lectures as and when they desire, and this is contributing to enhanced understanding of their subject matter. So Prudent Media, I would like to say, I would like to congratulate you. I take this opportunity to congratulate you on your 14 years anniversary. Okay, and I thank you for taking this initiative and helping build a community spirit for the whole of Goa with respect to the student as well as the teaching fraternity. Thank you, Prudent, and my best wishes to each and every staff of this business enterprise for your fruitful service to the state of Goa and Goans. And God bless the entire Prudent family. Thank you.
Hello everyone, my name is Dilsha Wilson and I am from Vadinagar High Secondary School. I teach the subjects English and Psychology. It has been a great experience recording for Prudent Media. I'm sure it has benefited a lot of students and we have reached out to many. Last but not the least, I would like to congratulate Prudent Media on completing 14 successful years. Hope you have a wonderful future ahead and a great successful journey ahead. Thank you.
On the onset, I would like to congratulate Prudent Media along with High Secondary Principals Forum and Lupin to undertake this project during this pandemic time to deliver the lectures by the teachers and reach out to students of Goa in large number. I think it is for the first time that on the media Goan students are getting benefited by these lectures, and it is really a very good job that the Prudent Media is doing, and the learning process by the students has remained uninterrupted right from June by this particular project. As far as delivering lectures in front of camera is concerned, it was my first experience of facing camera, but thanks to the Prudent team that they have cooperated so well that we were as if in our class and teaching the students, and they were so comfortable with us and they have adjusted a lot with us. So it was really nice working with them, and I am really satisfied that in this pandemic period when all of us are undergoing into a we are carrying out our journey on the same path in a very critical situation. Under this situation, I could contribute my lesson. So it was a small service that I could give to all the students of Goa. I hope by this particular project, all students will be benefited not only this year but in near future. I wish Prudent Media on their anniversary a very good luck for their future ventures. Thank you.
Prudent Scholars, powered by Lupin Pharmaceuticals.